Today's video from Sharp Help, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the XE-A203 or 206 registers. First thing to do is to turn the machine off at the mains, lift up the printer cover, and then you need to remove the memory protection batteries, which will be inserted in a little battery compartment towards the back of the machine under the spool. Once you've removed the batteries, with the key in the REG position, you can turn the machine back on. You get a message appear on the screen saying MRS, and then the initialization will be performed. So this procedure has wiped the machine back to factory default, so all sales and all programming data have gone back to zero. So the machine is now ready to be reprogrammed. For more information on using the XE-A203 and other Sharp cash registers, please check out the video links appearing on screen now, subscribe to this YouTube channel, or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.